what I like to do is kind of, especially for the kick, the kick is the foundation, it's the absolute bedrock of the track. So I like to have a good kick. This one, I think I sampled it from a record that I liked, and I put it into my default set. That kind of, then you could say like every track's going to sound the same. I mean, the kick's important, but it's also not necessarily the personality of the track. The other thing that you can do is, I know that this kick sounds really good. The bottom end sounds big and fat and works for the type of records I like to make. So what I can do, if I want to kind of change the personality of the kick, I can just kind of use an EQ, cut off the top, and then use a top kick to add some personality on top. So I could do that.
I don't want to be with you if you keep on deceiving me with all these things you say. I don't believe in you.